Freelancing is a way of working independently, offering your skills and services to clients on a project basis. It's a powerful career option because it offers flexibility, autonomy, and the potential for unlimited income. Anyone can start freelancing even with no experience. First, identify a skill you enjoy or are interested in. This could be writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing. Next, learn that skill quickly through online courses, tutorials, or practice. Utilize AI tools to enhance your productivity. For example, use writing assistants for content creation or design software for graphics. Once you feel confident in your skill, create a strong profile on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Highlight your skills, showcase your work, and write a compelling bio that attracts clients. Start by offering your services at a competitive rate to build your portfolio and gain reviews. As you gain experience, gradually increase your rates. Networking is also essential. Connect with other freelancers and potential clients through social media and online communities. Stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt to market demands. With dedication and the right approach, freelancing can lead to a fulfilling and lucrative career.